Are you sure your juicer is disinfecting? Take a look at this carrot and let's go. Let's go. At the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Woo! It's gone. My goodness. Did you see how fast that is? Machine. I call this an industrial machine. This is industrial. That's my carrots going so. Let's try this chunky one, okay? Let's try this. Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? Okay, so I'm gonna have the last chunk here. Let me have a taste. I don't feel like juicing this. You know, honeydew is like papaya, right? So this is very, very. Then when you eat this, it also tastes like cantaloupe. Okay. This is going, and gone. Bye. That's it. Did you see that? Going again. Just like that. Just like that. It's just like a fast. This is the secret. If you ask me, this is the secret of that juicer, Jido. This is the secret. Like, look at how wide this is. It whips like it's a whipping. I'll call it a whipping machine. I mean, the orange ones are the carrots. Look at what it turns the carrots to. It whips everything. This is the brain behind it. Look at how large this is. You see the way it was sounding? Once the carrot lands in there, it grinds, it blends, it crushes everything off. It crushes the carrot beyond recognition. Put this in your cat and holder. This is nice. It's good for the home. At least you can juice a whole bunch of fruits within 2 minutes or a minute. But this is how the pineapple turned out to be. It came out like this, and I was so surprised. So I just want to tell you, let me show you the box. This is what the box look like. Okay? Here. This. And this is what you're going to see on it. Extra large feed chewed centrifugal juicer. If you want to know more about this juicer, you can check my video, and you can also click on the cart. Put it in your cart now that it's cheaper, and see you plus carrot juice. So here it is the honeydew. So join me, let's make this together. I want us to see how this juicer works. If you're new here, this is the Glorious Generations family, and on this TV it's all about faith. We do chapter of the day, and we also do some lifestyles, and then other things are going to be coming up. For those who have stuck with me for like a year now, you will know that I usually come online every morning for morning devotional. But ever since I had my last delivery, it has been kind of, not as usual. But very soon, very, very soon, we're going to start. We're going to return back to live streaming every morning. It's going to be like Good Morning Jesus kind of thing. So let's go into this product and see how it works. So I'm going to be using this, and I'm close to the sink, so that I'll be able to do this. I'm bringing an update, and this is what I observe. This juicer is the best I've seen so far. That is not negotiable. Okay, one thing I'm going to tell the people, okay, the sellers, I want them to probably make something like an upgrade, okay, to net this place. Just in case they will not be able to do that, let me bring my machine. I am so proud of this machine. Trust me. Gidor. Well, GDOR. You can check the link. So here, You don't have to bother yourself. It might not be possible that they do that, but seriously, this machine whips your vegetable. Grind is an understatement. It shrinks your shrinking is an understatement. Like it crushed the whole thing. It will crush everything off. And then I did sieving, okay? I sieved the last part of it. And here.
We are the glorious generation family. Please join us today, and we bless you.